children, welcome to Sahasra Academy. Already I told you we are going to start physics classes in this Sahasra Academy for 9th class, 8th class and 10th class. Daily we are going to conduct classes for 8th class, 9th class and 10th class. Every day we will post one video for one concept. And see this video. If you like this video, share this one to your friends. Now we are going to discuss about equations of uniformly accelerated body, which is an important concept in our 9th class motion chapter. So this is the first chapter, and these equations are very important for your intermediate and for IIT exam. Okay, now we are going to see how to derive the equations for uniformly accelerated body. Okay, let us consider an object whose initial velocity is u, and after some time, otherwise after time t, it covered a displacement s, and the final velocity of the object is v, and the final velocity of the object is v. Now we will see the acceleration of the object A is equal to v minus u by t. That means from the definition of acceleration, what is acceleration? Already we have discussed. Acceleration is the change in velocity. Okay, change in velocity is nothing but acceleration. For example, here I told you the initial velocity of the object is u. For example, suppose if I am starting a bike, initially my bike will start with 10 km per hour speed. Suppose if I move on to main road, then what happen? My velocity will be 50 km per hour. Here what is change in velocity? 50 minus 10, that is 40. 40 is the change in velocity. So here acceleration also same manner. Change in velocity per unit time is called acceleration. So from the definition of acceleration, we know that A is equal to v minus u by t. Then send this t to this side. At is equal to v minus u. Then send this minus u to this side. This minus will becomes plus. Then u plus at is equal to v. From this I can write v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation. Once again see here. So from the definition of acceleration, A is equal to v minus u by t. A is equal to v minus u by t. Then send this t to this side. It will becomes into. Then A into t, at is equal to v minus u. Then send this minus u to this side. Then it will becomes plus. Then v is equal to u plus at. Then we can write v is equal to u plus at. Okay, this is the first equation. Now we are going to derive second equation. Suppose if you want to note down this one, then note down. Next equation. We know average velocity. Average velocity from our physics is nothing but total displacement cover. Total displacement by time taken. Total displacement by time taken. So here total displacement is s. It has taken time t. It has taken time t. Already I told you here we have two velocities. Initial velocity is u and the final velocity is v. From our mathematics, what is the average velocity? Average velocity. In mass, we have formula sum of the observations by number of observations. So here we have two observations u and v. The sum of observations is nothing but u plus v. Then number of observations. How many are there? 1, 2. 2 only there. Then I am writing by 2. So in our physics we have formula average velocity is equal to total displacement by time taken. So displacement is nothing but s and it has taken time t. Here we have two velocities u and v. Then according to mathematics, average velocity is nothing but sum of the observations by number of observations. Here sum of observation means u plus v, and how many are there? 2 are there, then write 2. So this one also average velocity and this one also average velocity. Then equal them. Now u plus v by 2 is equal to s by t. Because both are average velocities only, then they are equal. That is why I am equalizing here. Now send this t to this side. Then it will becomes multiplication. So u plus v into t by 2 is equal to s. I have given you equation 1. What is equation 1? V is equal to u plus at. Then take value of t from this equation. Now send this plus u to this side, then it will becomes minus. V minus u is equal to at. Now t is equal to what? V minus u by a. This is the formula of t. Okay. So we have, for this t, I am taking value from equation 1. So what is equation 1? Already we have discussed. V is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u plus at. Then send this plus u to this side, it will becomes minus. Then v minus u is equal to at. Then send this a to this side. Then v minus u by a is equal to t. This is the value of t. Now substitute this t value in this equation. Now this equation becomes like this. U plus v by 2 into, instead of this t value, substitute this value, v minus u by a. Then v minus u by a is equal to s. Okay, I substituted the value of t in this equation. We have taken value t from here, from equation 1. So t is equal to v minus u by a. V minus u by a. Now we can take like this, u plus v into v minus u by 2 into a, 2a is equal to s. Now this one seems to be formula a plus b into, here I am writing a plus b into a minus b formula. According to this one we can write a square minus b square. Okay. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. According to that formula, I am writing this value. Here a square means v square. A square means v square. Then write v square minus u square is equal to, v square minus u square by 2a is equal to s. Then send this s to that side. Then v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is another equation. This one is another equation. Okay. Okay, next equation we will derive in the next class. Okay, thank you for watching this.